The new ForemostProducers.com will put a spring in your sails. ForemostProducers.com, a simpler way to do business. Foremost, for you. ForemostAgent.com.
In this interview with Insurance Journal's Mitch Dunford, Dr. Weili Lu, the director of the Center for Insurance Studies at Cal State Fullerton, talks about the job outlook for their current students preparing to graduate.
To me, as an educator, there are three important factors which matters to a successful academic program. First is scholarship. We want financially get those students through the program. With the help from our advisory board and board of directors, we have about 25 member companies. With their generous support, we gave out significant amount of scholarship to our students. I would say more than half of the business schools scholarship is coming from our center. And finally, the good problem we have is we got kicked out from college ceremony because our students made the line too long. So we have to have our own ceremony. So every year we get together about 200 students, family members, and donors together to celebrate our scholarship.
The graduation. That's great.
Yeah, the graduation and the scholarship event. Second important factor is internship. We want to make sure those students understand the whole image of our industry. It's a profession, it's an entrepreneurship. It's a very important sector of the national economy. So if we could help them to get an internship, make sure they get their feet wet before they get out to the insurance industry. We built up several very important internship programs. For example, we have a great intern with Pacific Life. Students get through the intern, become actuary or in the annuity side. Then 90% of them end up to become, after the internship, they become the full-time employee to the company, which made us really proud of that. Another important intern program we had was risk managers. Risk managers can get funding from Spencer Foundation to supporting students to educate future risk manager. In Southern California, companies, risk managers like Jerry Santos from Parsons consecutively hired students, intern from us over 5 years. Those students, they get work for risk manager as risk analyst. Not only they handles risk managers' daily claim and insurance quote related daily work, they also get opportunity to meet risk managers, brokers, and their insurance carriers. So students felt like this is fascinating. They get a chance to see all different sectors of this industry. Most of the students went through that program, either become our risk management and insurance concentration majored students or goes to the graduate program in insurance and actuary. We also have great intern opportunities built up through independent agents and brokers. We have social media interns work for an independent insurance broker or agents, develop their group project and become the intern in that with the agent and the brokers.